the car you want to build. Choose a track. Look! What do we have here? This is a fire truck. It can put out fires even in tall buildings. What a mess! We use these parts to build a vehicle. Rotating mechanism. Cabin. Toolbox. Seats. Wheels with wings. Wheels with wings. Water tank. Ladder. Door. 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 Hooray! You did it! Let's gas up the car. Now press the pump to fill up the tank with fuel. Excellent! Let's go! Yes! A prize! A prize! Yes, you got it!